Hi and welcome to MyCTOfriend, the place where non-technical founders build successful startups by improving their tech management skills. I'm Amaury and today I'm going to answer a question from Lucie, the product manager of a data science startup. Her question is, how should product owners work with CTOs? And more specifically, who is in charge of building the roadmap, estimating the workloads per features, or prioritizing, etc. And before answering this question, let's add a bit of context. Lucie acts as a product owner, and a CTO has recently been added into the mix. And she's struggling to figure out who is in charge of what. So to answer her question, let's define each one's purpose. They both have a common goal: to benefit the customer and the company as much as possible. The product owner represents the company's strategies as well as the customer's voice, while the CTO keeps the development profitable. So while the product owner will study the customers with the marketing team, the CTO will organize the development. While the product owner will define the version's focus, the CTO will manage the development. The product owner will define the functional constraints, while the technical aspect, the technical constraints, will be handled by the CTO. And the prioritization will be done by the product owner, but the CTO will help to prioritize, providing the estimations on each features. So the product owner will have a rough estimation of each feature's workload, but the CTO will check that estimations and correct them if required. The product owner will be considered as the technical team's client, while the CTO will be more the provider, the technical or the development provider. Next, the product owner will analyze the metrics, the analytics, as well as building some KPIs of the business. And the CTO will be in charge of providing the tools or the dashboard to follow that KPIs. The product owner will also define what is the customer experience that we aim to build. He is going to write specific functional specifications. And the CTO will define the IT architecture and write technical specifications like defining language, defining which type of database structure we need, etc., etc. So in any organization, the product owner and the chief technical officer work hand in hand together for the top management. They help shape the strategy by providing insight of what customers want and what's possible to do. Then the management defines the company's strategy and the product owner prioritizes the development accordingly. So in an agile development team, these two key players will at the very least plan and review sprints together. And in conclusion, and to answer Lucie's question, the chief technical officer and the product owner or the product manager are key in any software development organization, especially in startup. They are both building a bridge from the company strategy and the customer's needs to the development team. And an easy way to remember the distinctions is everything related to what we should develop is up to the product owner. And how we develop it is up to the chief technical officer. And in small organizations like startups, you don't really need two different people. Just make sure that these roles are properly fulfilled before starting development. And now if, like Lucie, you have a specific question for your project, just go ahead and ask on myctofriend.co/ask. I will do my best to answer your question by video or redirect you to existing content that will answer it. And I publish new video every week, so subscribe now and learn how to be better at tech management and build your startup successfully. And also be sure to go through our other content at MyCTOfriend to learn more from real startup growth experiences. I will be waiting for your question and I look forward to seeing you in other videos. Cheers!